Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. We're making cilantro rice. Stay tuned. Hello everyone. Guys, I'm bringing you in real quick because I have spent a couple of days with my sister and she showed me how to make this white rice. And this is fresh cilantro from my garden, which I have rinsed and washed. I have here 2 limes. If you like a lot of lime flavor, then you can do 2 or you can do 1. All we're gonna use is the zest. She uses butter, but I like to use olive oil. And all I've done is I've made my rice and I added my salt to my rice. The way she does it is she makes the rice and then she adds the salt when she adds all of this. But I rather it this way. So I've already made my rice. It's all done. I'm going to chop this up and get my grater. And I am going to grate one of the limes, sorry. And I will bring you back in a minute so I can show you. Okay, so I have chopped my cilantro finely. You don't have to add that much cilantro if you don't really like cilantro, because it does have an overpowering flavor, especially if you grow your own. And all I'm gonna do is pour my rice onto this vessel, and then I'm gonna add my cilantro. I'm gonna grate my my lime, and then I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. But since I'm holding the camera, I can't. This is hot, so I can't do it. Pick it up. I'll bring you back. Okay, so I'm bringing you in so that you can see. I added my cilantro. Here's the zest of 1 lime. And I already drizzle some olive oil, and all you're gonna do is this. It's so delicious, you guys. You'll never eat just plain white rice. I can eat this all by myself. Not all of it, of course, but with nothing. No accompanying it with nothing. I can't eat it plain. That's how delicious this thing. Trust me, once you have it, especially if you like cilantro, you'll be making this over and over and over again. So the night that she brought it over, I practically ate the bowl of rice all by myself. Not this much, of course, but I hardly touched the rest of the stuff that she accompanied the rice with because I absolutely love it. But there you have it. That's what it looks like. It's really delicious. It's not a whole lot. And like I said, if you want to add, you can also add, if you wanted to, some nuts and cranberries or whatever you want, just to dress it up a little bit if you choose. I like it just the way she made it, like this. Only she adds butter to hers, like I said, and I add olive oil. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Give it a try. You won't regret it.